Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best RV roof coating.
Extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Starting at number 10, we have the Heng's Rubber Roof Coating. The Heng's Rubber Roof Coating is our first choice for the best roof coatings designed for RV roofs. This is also one of the few options on our list that are specially made for RV roofs and also one of the budget options. Since this is suitable for most RV roofs, you can use the Heng's Rubber Roof Coating for covering up tiers and even seal vents. The Heng's Rubber Roof Coating ensures complete protection against UV rays along with expansion and contraction depending upon the coverage area. Once applied, the Heng's Rubber Roof Coating can resist cracking and it can withstand impacts without any problem. The Heng's Rubber Roof Coating is also made up of non-toxic and eco-friendly material. Moving on at number 9, we have the Liquid Rubber RV Roof Coating. The Liquid Rubber RV Roof Coating is our next pick for the best RV roof coating. This is one of the larger options on this list that offers 5 gallons capacity, offering multiple applications with a single container. Plus, this is a great option for the price compared to other similar choices since it offers up to 1000% elongation at the time of application. While most RV roof coatings are only designed for RV roofs, the Liquid Rubber RV Roof Coating is a rather versatile option that can be used with metal roofs, flat roofs, mobile homes, fences, wooden surfaces, concrete surfaces, and much more. You will also find the Liquid Rubber RV Roof Coating pretty easy to apply. As for the application thickness, you should apply about 1 gallon of Liquid Rubber RV Roof Coating per square featuring of the roof. At number 8, we have the Rubberseal Liquid Rubber Waterproofing and Protective Coating. The Rubberseal Liquid Rubber Coating is also a great choice for an RV roof coating that is currently being used by thousands of RV owners. Apart from offering a protective coating, this solution can also insulate the surface thanks to its ceramic properties. It prevents aging of the roof surface, which is usually observed after prolonged UV exposure. The Rubberseal Liquid Rubber Coating is certified by EPA since it has low volatile organic compounds, making it an eco-friendly option. As for the spread rate, you will need about a gallon of the Rubberseal Liquid Rubber Coating per 60 square, featuring courage area, making it a better choice compared to other similar options. At number 7, we have the Ziollo RV Flex Repair RV Roof Sealant. The Ziollo RV Flex Repair is a different type of RV roof coating than the ones we've seen so far. This is a 100% silicone sealant that is suitable for fiberglass and metal surfaces. So, it is the most efficient option among these choices if you want a roof coating for multiple vehicles. It also has a pretty short cure time, getting the job done over a weekend. Ziollo RV Flex Repair is one of the high-end options designed by Ziollo that are completely eco-friendly and non-toxic. So, it is safe to use the Ziollo RV Flex Repair indoors as well as outdoors. Apart from offering a long-lasting protection, this solution will also create a seal that prevents leakage problems and makes the roof safer. Since this is one of the highly premium options, you will get lifetime warranty on the Ziollo RV Flex Repair. At number 6, we have the Cased Coating Kansas 00636000-16 Roof Coating. The Cased Coating Kansas 00636000-16 is the best option for those who want to check the results of an RV roof coating before investing in a premium option. This is a rather small pack of RV roof coating, available with 0.9 gallons of capacity. And since this is a cheaper option, you might have guessed already that it is an acrylic roof coating. But, there are many benefits of trying out the Cased Coating KS 00636000-16 before looking at other options. First of all, you can check whether you need to invest in a premium option or if this can get the job done for your RV. Secondly, the Cased Coating Kansas 00636000-16 is also a highly reflective roof coating that can renew the surface and protect it against UV rays, rain, snow, etc. At number 5, we have the AMES MSS1 Maximum Stretch Roof Coating. The AMES MSS1 Maximum Stretch Roof Coating is the most affordable option we have for our list of the best RV roof coating. As the name suggests, this RV roof coating has great stretching property, offering up to 650% elongation at the time of applications. So, you will be able to cover a lot of area with even a gallon of the AMES MSS1 Maximum Stretch Roof Coating. As for the UV rays protection, the AMES MSS1 Maximum Stretch Roof Coating features up to 88% reflectivity along with a bright white surface to maintain the looks. Since this coating is also developed in the USA, you will be getting a trustable option with non-toxic and eco-friendly formula along with low VOC rating. At number 4, we have the Rexoseal RV Roof Restoration Kit. If you are not sure about the application or suitable type of RV roof coating for your RV, simply go with the Rexoseal RV Roof Restoration Kit. Unlike any other option that we have seen so far, this is an all-in-one kit for your RV so that you can get multiple benefits from a single purchase. This kit is suitable for up to 40 feet of surface application since it has 5 gallons capacity. The Rexoseal RV Roof Restoration Kit has about 50 to 60% rubber content, which is quite higher than what you would find on affordable options. Thus, it is capable of creating a long-lasting seal on the surface. It is also compatible with wooden, metallic, and fiberglass surfaces. As this is a complete kit of roof maintenance, you will also receive 150 feet reinforcing membrane, a 3 inches paintbrush, a scrub brush, an additional 7 inches brush, and even a 9.6 inches paint roller. At number 3, we have the Dicor Corp RP-SEAL-RC1 EPDM Rubber Roof Coating. The Dicor Corp RP-SEAL-RC1 is our next choice for the best RV roof coating suitable for any type of surface since this is an EPDM rubber roof coating. Even though this is quite cheaper than other premium options for an RV roof coating, you will get a good quality solution with the Dicor Corp RP-SEAL-RC1, which is very easy and flexible in terms of application. The Dicor Corp RP-SEAL-RC1 ships in 1-gallon containers that can be applied over EPDM roof members as well as primed TPO roof members. One of the best features of the Dicor Corp RP-SEAL-RC1 is its assured extended lifespan. Also, this is a white RV roof coating, which is what a lot of users prefer as well as need for their RVs. The coverage of the Dicor Corp RP-SEAL-RC1 is about 100 square featuring per gallon, which is not too bad for the price. At number 2, we have the Gardner Flat Roof Coat and Seal Liquid Rubber Coating. The Gardner Liquid Rubber Coating is yet another premium option that we have for our list today. The Gardner Liquid Rubber Coating is capable of stopping and sealing all types of leak problems on your RV's roof without any issues. Plus, this solution offers the benefit of a single coat application, saving a lot of time and effort for the user. Once applied, the Gardner Liquid Rubber Coating will grant your roof a permanent waterproof finish. This is also a white-colored RV roof coating that does not degrade, but improve the aesthetics of your vehicle. It is also pretty easy to apply since it is a liquid rubber type of roof coating. You can be done with the application process within a matter of minutes with the Gardner Liquid Rubber Coating. A single bucket of 5 gallons of the Gardner Liquid Rubber Coating offers you up to 335 square featuring of coverage area. And finally at number 1, we have the Marlin Coatings 100% Silicone Roof Sealant. You might already know that silicone-based roof coatings are quite expensive and it is very rare to find a budget option for a silicone-based roof coating. Fortunately, Marlin Coatings has one such option for you. The Marlin Coatings Silicone Roof Sealant is a 100% silicone roof sealant, offering self-leveling application aligned with flawless waterproofing and single coat application. Since this is a 100% silicone roof coating, you can expect long-lasting durability from this coating, comparable to many other premium choices we have seen so far. But unlike most other coatings, you will be able to spray the Marlin Coatings silicone roof sealant on the surface with a 6,000 psi backhand pressure pump. This solution arrives in a 1-gallon container, offering a coverage area of about 60 square feet.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.